Welcome back to the channel. It is time once again for the Home Depot Black Friday sale. This is 2024. I just put a video out on the Lowe's Black Friday sale. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description. Now, just like that one, I'm not going to be showing you every single tool sale. I'm going to be showing you the sales that I think are most worth your money. With that being said, let's jump right in. So up first we have the DeWalt 10 compartment shallow parts organizer. This thing is a very nice container. Matter of fact, I've been in part of forums online that people are just buying these things by the truckload, organizing their shop or their garage. Now, these are great for holding anything small, nails and screws, that sort of thing. And at $12.88, great option to go out and get you some of these, or maybe gifts for family, friends, that sort of thing. Definitely pick you up some of these while you're in there. So the next one, I actually also picked this up last year on their Black Friday sale, just browsing through the store, came across this and thought it was a great deal. And they've got it back again this year for about 15 bucks. This is a 14-piece screwdriver set. Now it's got very nice handles on these. I really like the way they feel in your hand. And it's got these all the way from the stubby screwdrivers, the smaller precision screwdrivers, all the way up to the larger ones. And not only the flat or the Phillips screwdrivers, but they've got three of probably the most common Torx bit screwdrivers as well. I really wish I'd have picked up, at least a couple more of these last year for some gifts for some family or friends and that kind of thing. I really recommend these, especially for 15 bucks. Pick them up, throw them in your toolbox, have a nice set on hand. Now, if you're looking for a set with just a little bit more, they also have the 22-piece screwdriver set, and that's running $34.97. So with the addition of a few more screwdrivers, including some offset screwdrivers, this is a great option as well. Now here's a handy little kit. They got the 3-piece tool bag. These are the Husky. You got a 12, 15, and an 18-inch. All three together running $29.98. Great little option for some tool storage. Take these with you on the go. So up next, we got one of those $99 toolbox deals that everybody seems to put out. Now this is the Husky 270-piece set. In this next shot, you'll kind of see everything that's included. Not only the case it comes in with a couple storage trays up top when you're working on things, but they got 3 different size ratchets. You're going to get the quarter, the 3/8, and the 1/2 inch, as well as a bunch of different sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, that sort of thing. At $99, this is a great option to take home with you as a gift or as something to add to your shop. Up next, I think this is just a great deal. At $5.88, you got a 2-pack of 7 1/4 inch circular saw blades. These are the Avanti Pros, and I've used these things every time I go back. When they got these on sale, I'll pick up a set of these. They cut great, especially, for as cheap as they are. They may not be the top of the line, but for $5.88, you can't go wrong. Pick you up a couple packs of these and have them on hand when you need a new one. So up next, I told you guys about these last year. This is the Milwaukee 12-volt. That's the drill and the impact driver. Now, you think 12-volt being weak, but these, I promise you, are far from weak. That's a half-charged battery that needs to be charged. These come with both tools, 2 batteries, of course, a carry bag, and a charger I've got mounted on the wall over there right now. But for $99, man, if you need a set of these things, I would highly recommend jumping on these. I've used these a lot since last year. They're a great couple of tools. Go out and get you some of these. Now, if you're looking for slightly more power than the previous one I just mentioned, they have this 2-piece set on sale as well. It's the Ridgid 18-volt. Comes with a couple batteries, carry bag also, and a charger as well. I've got that one up on the wall. But now, if you've paid attention to any of my previous videos over the years, you'll know that I've used these a lot. So I highly recommend getting you a set of these. Sticking right with that Ridgid theme, here's another great deal if you're into a tool combo. This particular one is, of course, the 18-volt 8-tool combo kit. Of course, it comes with a 2-amp and a 4-amp battery. The charger, tool bag, of course. You've got the drill, impact driver. You got a light. You got a little small handheld vacuum. You got the reciprocating saw, sander, circular saw, and a little blower. Great deal at $299. Now, if you're interested in one of these separately, they have the 18-volt cordless compact job site blower. Of course, that comes with the blower itself, a battery, and a charger, all for $99. Great little deal. Up next, also in the Ridgid brand, they have the 18-volt brushless, cordless, 18-gauge, 2 1/8 inch nailer. Of course, this one is $159.99. This is the tool only, has what they call the clean drive technology. However, I think an even better deal at $199, you get that same nail gun with the battery and a charger. So for an extra $40, that's definitely worth that one. Go check this one out if you're needing a nail gun. Now, up next, they have the buy one, get one free gift. You originally buy the 18-volt max output kit, which is, an even more powerful set of batteries. These are the 4 amp hour batteries as well as a charger, all for $149. And then you have the option of picking out a free gift. Now, there are a lot of tools on here you can pick from. There's the blower we just mentioned. There's a circular saw, a sander, a mini circular saw, a multi-tool. A lot of different options on there. But one of the ones I really wanted to point out to you is this 18-volt sequential charger. Now, that one is $139 by itself. So if you get that one for free along with those batteries, that is a great, great deal right there. $149, 2 batteries, and you got 2 chargers. Now you've got one with 6 ports on it. Great option right there. Now, if it's batteries only you're looking for, of course, we throw a charger in there. They've got the 18-volt dual port simultaneous charger. This comes with 2 2 amp hour batteries as well as 2 4 amp hour batteries at $159. That's a great deal. Also, as I've mentioned earlier, they're coming out with the max output batteries. These are a little more powerful, run longer. If you're interested in these, they have this kit for $279. You get a 6 amp hour, a 4 amp hour, a 2 amp hour, and also an 8 amp hour battery. Also the charger. So at $279, it's a little more expensive than the others, but if you're looking for these with more power, this may be the option for you. So up next in the DeWalt line, we have the Atomic 20-volt drill and impact driver set. Of course, you get 2 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and the bag. This is $149. Now, these Atomics are supposed to be more compact without sacrificing the power. So if you're looking for something a little on the smaller side, but with still the same amount of power in it, go check these out. Also in the DeWalt brand, we have the 20-volt max XR hammer drill Atomic impact driver. Also, this comes with a cordless router, which I think is a great deal at $299. You also get 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and the bag. So with $299, I would jump on this deal especially if you're into the DeWalt brand. Up next in the Diablo brand, we're going to go with these bimetal reciprocating saw blades. Anytime I need to cut metal, I jump straight for the Diablo brand. I've bought these before and have had a ton of success. I would highly recommend those. Now, you're getting a 28-piece set here for only basically $30, so at a little over $1 a blade. You can't go wrong with this little deal. Up next in the Milwaukee brand, they have the high-speed wood spade bit set. This is a 13-piece at $19.97, which I think is a great deal already. What I like about this one, though, it doesn't come rolled up in those little cloth bags they send you. They're kind of cheap. This one actually has a holder that you can mount right on your wall and keep these up out of your way, but convenient. Now, if you're interested in maybe a double pack, get one for yourself, one for a friend. They also have this one for $38.97. You're basically getting 2 of these, so a little bit of a savings there. Either way, you can't go wrong with these deals. So now back to some Milwaukee power tools. If you're interested in this kit, for $299, you're going to get the drill and impact driver kit. You're also going to get a reciprocating saw, the smaller one. They call it the handheld. You get the circular saw and a flashlight, as well as a charger that comes with that. Now, that charger is kind of interesting because you get not only the 18-volt charger, but it comes with a 12-volt. There are no 12-volt tools in this kit, but I assume they're probably expecting you to own some of those tools. So this is a handy little double charger. Of course, comes with a tool bag, $299. Great deal on the Milwaukee. Now, if you do pick up that kit, you may need some extra batteries. So they got a double pack of 3 amp hour, 18-volt batteries at $79. Now, this next item, I know a lot of you are familiar with this. They have the Milwaukee Pack Out Rolling Toolbox. Of course, you get the small, medium, and the large container here that's going to be able to store a lot of tools. This is handy if you're out on a job site, anything like that, or if you just want to have a nice way of keeping your tools, making them a little bit more mobile at $229. Might want to check this one out. Now, if the Milwaukee is just a bit out of your budget, but you still need one of these roll-around toolbox sets, Stanley makes one here. It's running basically $83. You still get the small, medium, and the large toolbox. I personally have this one. It's done what I needed it to. May not have the features, that the Milwaukee does, or quite the quality, but it's still a nice little set. For $83, you can't go wrong with this one. Up next, back in the Ridgid brand, this particular wet dry vac I have in my shop. I use it all the time. It's powerful, has a lot of suction. One of my favorite things about this is the way the hose attaches. It actually locks on, so it's not going to slip off. This is the 16-gallon, 5-peak horsepower wet dry vac. Comes with a lot of attachments, and I have a video on my channel in case you're interested on assembly and use of this thing. Go check that out if you want. I'll leave a link to that one as well. But it's $60 for a wet dry vac, especially one this size. That is an exceptional little deal. Like I said, it's plenty powerful. Don't hesitate to get you one of these. So I wanted to save the tool chests and such for last. And up first, we have the Husky tool chest combo, they call it. You get the upper and the lower for $298. A lot of storage there. And it appears to be between the both of these, you got 10 total drawers. So a lot of storage for $300. Great option to have in your shop. And the next one we have also a Husky. They have the 42-inch, what they call the tool chest combo. This is a nice black one. Has the top that raises up. Appears there's about 12 total drawers in these. Now, what I like about this one, the very top one, they're all full width drawers. So you can fit a lot of tools in there. You're not having to compromise with space. Some nice heavy duty casters. At $498, you're getting a lot of toolbox for your money on this one. Now, last year, this was my favorite deal Home Depot had, and I told you about it then. I didn't actually have one in my possession then. So this year, when they came out with it, I definitely jumped on that deal at $298. They call this the 46-inch mobile workbench. As you can see, it's the 9-drawer, the one large one up top, and then the 8 smaller ones at the bottom. Of course, you've got thinner drawers here, and as you go towards the bottom, you've got the much larger drawers. And one of my favorite features is the soft close drawers. I've had a lot over the years that were not soft close, and they function, but this is just so nice to have this little feature on it. And that's on every single one of these. And you can see how wide these drawers are. A lot of space for different things. Of course, I've got some Husky screwdrivers I just showed you in here. Got them stored all nice. Some drill bits, that kind of stuff. A lot of the bigger things I can't get in these smaller drawers. And you can see I've got some bits and that kind of stuff. Now, I will tell you, I don't have this fully stocked like I needed to be. I've not had a lot of time to do it. Either way, I think it's great. Let me show you one of the other features it's got. Now, this is a feature you don't find in a lot of these, but this one is integrated, and I really like that. So you can see you've got a cord that comes out here that powers this power strip, and I've got it plugged up, as you can see. It features 6 of the receptacles, as well as 2 USBs if you want to charge your phone or some other item. They got you covered on that part too. So guys, that's going to do it for this video. As usual, let me know what you think about the tools I've showcased in this little video. I really like them. I think they're worth the time and the money. And as always, if you would hit that like button, that way this video gets out to other people. Check out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video.